All right. It's good digging, Chris. Thanks.
Okay.
Oh, that is bright. Yeah, that's a bright light.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
Or do you want it down the...
No, I can make that work.
Can you?
Am I up on a footing here? What is this?
Oh, it's just a piece of...
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that's a nice piece. That's from 1935, I guess.
Yeah, that's a gift. Yeah.
eBay.
That's eBay.
Well, how much you get for that on eBay?
Oh, well, I'll tell you what. That would go home with the European.
Oh yeah, you're a guy from Germany. Take this.
Oh,
It's from der Hermitage,
Ja.
Das ist wunderbar.
Was ist los?
That's 1,000 Deutsche Marks.
It's wonderful.
It's wunderbar. All right.
You want me to move that light
No.
better for you?